do it again. So. Slow, you can catch him. Okay? Yeah, there. Is it a butterfly or what's that? What is this? A butterfly? Okay, can you catch him?
A butterfly!
Yeah, catch your butterfly. You see? He's moving. There. You're tall. You can catch him. Oh, you see? Yeah. That's a butterfly?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, it's very fast. You see? It's behind you. It's behind you. There is.
It's behind you. I don't have wings.
You don't have wings? Try. It's not that high. No, it's above your head. It's above your head. Try. It's coming down. It's coming down. It's coming after you. It's coming. There.